I'll take this now. Every year, thousands of house fires are caused by unattended cooking, leaving families with devastating losses and unimaginable trauma. But what if we could prevent those accidents from ever happening? Imagine a world where you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that even if life distracts you, your home and your family remain safe. That world is now here. Introducing Dishknob, the knob that lets you know when danger is close. It's the kitchen companion that keeps safety at the forefront. Designed with precision and your safety in mind, this revolutionary tool ensures your gas stove will never be left unattended again. We don't need this one. With its various D-port size adapters, Dishknob can be installed on any stove. Now you can finish your soup. And here's your phone. Dishknob, the clever gas stove knob designed for your convenience. It seamlessly integrates into any cooktop, adding elegance to your kitchen. With easy installation, its user-friendly features make interacting with your stove effortless. Crafted from a durable zinc aluminum alloy, Dishknob is built to last, resistant to heat and water. Vibrant OLED screen ensures clear visibility while consuming minimal power. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with its long-lasting battery, lasting up to 90 days. When it's time to recharge, simply connect via USB-C for a quick power-up. Experience the perfect blend of style, efficiency, and simplicity with Dishknob. A simple turn of the knob will set an automatic timer for 7 minutes without any input from you. When the timer is done, you will receive a special frequency alarm to notify you, and it stops with a simple turn-off. You will get perfect medium-boiled eggs in the morning. Not a fan of eggs? You can customize the default auto timer according to your needs, because Dishknob includes a custom auto timer. For example, your morning coffee. So no more coffee spills on your stove. No more burnt coffee. And enjoy a consistent coffee cooked to perfection. You can customize the timer according to your needs. You can set it to your preferred steak cooking time. So no more over or undercooked steaks. Just perfection with every bite. Dishknob comes in an elegant box with all the connectors to fit any kind of cooker to make you feel safe. Or give it to a loved one to make them feel safe.
Dishknob. Make your home safer.